One of the important settings in a treatment center, an Ayurvedic treatment center, while you undergo the treatment program for the various pathologies is the treatment room and the dhroni. The dhroni is a wooden treatment table across which I am standing right now. So you'll be lying on this table, and the various treatments that you will be undergoing as prescribed by the doctor will be done to you. Procedures like Shirodhara, for example, or the potleys, the poultices, whether it is a leaf one or the powder one, of course medicated. While undergoing the therapies, there will be two therapists, one on either side of you, who will be attending to you on a synchronized manner. Now from your side, there is an important role for you to play while you are under the treatments. The idea is to focus on the therapies, for which you need to keep your attention focused on the movements of the masseur's hands on your body, the therapist's hands on your body. When they are harnessing the universal energy and making themselves as a conduit to direct such an energy towards your body, if you are sleeping while the procedure is going on, it doesn't have any impact on you. So you need to be conscious of what's going on. You may keep your eyes closed, but at the same time focus on the movements of the therapist's hands on your body. Breathe very regularly, easily, and make sure that whether you are prone, supine, left lateral or the right lateral, you need to make yourself comfortable. So any kind of inconveniences that you might have noticed when you are turning to your side, like your ankle pressing on the wooden table, making it a bit painful, you need to ensure that the therapists are told so that they could put a pad under the ankle or the elbow or any such areas. Now, all these treatments may look quite aesthetic. They are, but more than that, it is the therapeutic impact that matters. The treatments have rigors on their own, and for that to be lessened, to moderate it, you need to ensure that you follow the regimen as prescribed by the doctor during such treatments. In Ayurveda, when you come for a panchakarma, the initial treatments will be the preparatory treatments for you to get adapted to the surroundings, to the energy levels of the space, the energy level of the therapist's hands on your body, the energy levels of the medications, etc. So the general initial treatments will be meted out first. Then comes the intense therapies, and following which we will be providing rejuvenative treatments which will negate the effect of the intense treatments in its intensity. So the idea of having it phased up in such a manner that you go through the intense treatments with less tiredness and weaknesses. There are treatments which can make you a little bit tired by the end of the third day or the fifth day if it is done consecutively. So the doctor will be advising you as to not to exert yourself unduly physically, either at the yoga sessions or during the walk, etc., so that you could be ensuring that the profound effect of the treatments are sustained for a longer period. I just wanted to let you know that in autoimmune conditions, especially reactive arthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, the choice of treatments for each individual is done by the doctor, yes, but the doctor will be very pertinent to ensure such evaluation are passed on to your therapist, so they are extremely aware as to what kind of pressure that needs to be exerted on the body. And speaking of broad pressure, it needs to be borne in mind that Ayurveda doesn't encourage any form of excessive pressure or intense pressure on the body. It's mild to moderate. What matters is the heat that is applied, as well as the medicines inside the poultices or the oils that are used in the body. So it is more of the therapeutic impact than the real physical force that is exerted on the body that matters. So that's in brief what I would like to convey at this moment on the effects of the therapies and what you need to follow while you are on the table undergoing the treatments. After the treatments are done, you are required to sit on the treatment table and gently step down on the treatment table. Of course, your therapist will be helping you out of it. And then you are led to the washroom where you can have the lukewarm shower, which is a necessity because you have been having the oil on the body for that long with the kind of heat that is generated with the massage or generated by the herbal sedation in the steam chamber. So you need to ensure that the lukewarm shower is important to wash the oil of the head, because you're not supposed to retain the oil on the head for too long, especially during the summer seasons. So once that is done, then you are led out of the treatment center by your therapist, escorted back to your room. Now this is the protocol that is followed at the Vajra Ayurveda and Yoga Retreat, nestled among the woods of the Western Ghats in Kerala.